So this is my Google Drive account. As you can see, I have it split up into folders for each of my courses. So say I wanted to go into this class, EDCI 270. I would click on that folder. You see, I have some documents here. I have a PowerPoint presentation, something for my themes, some notes from the class. So if I wanted to make another document, I would go up to here where it says New, and I would click this. Then I would choose Google Docs, and this will make me a new tab, which opens up in a new tab. You can name it and do that. So when you go back here and refresh the page, so we type, say, EDCI 270. I type Google Drive video. Okay. So this saves automatically and it saves it in my drive. So if I go back to here, you will see that this is now here. Then that's a document we just made. If we wanted to make a folder, go here, click folder. You can name this folder, so I can make one for my theme. Great. And if I wanted to put like my PowerPoint presentation in here, just click on it, drag it over to the folder, and it moves it into the theme. You can move this there, drag it in, and that is how you make a folder. You could also do one for notes. Say new folder, notes. And the same thing, I just drag them up into the notes. So if I wanted to share my folder, say I had notes that I was going to share with somebody, you go 270, and then you right click on the notes, and you can press share. So I could share it with someone else, and you're able to do this. So you can say the person can add and change it, or they can just see it. You could also get a shareable link. So if you wanted to just give the link to someone, you can do this, and they can either view it or you can make it so when they get the link, they can edit it. So you can send that, and now it has been shared.